Here in WA in August is a perfect month to get out in your garden. A little bit of work now in your garden is going to set it up perfect for spring and summer. Here is what you can do in your garden in August in mighty Western Australia. It's all about our acid-loving plants such as azaleas, camellias and gardenias. Azaleas make some really good colour for your garden this time of year. We've got some brilliant new varieties here in store, so come down and have a look and we can choose the perfect variety for your garden. Natives are brilliant to plant this time of year because you can get them established before it starts heating up too much in the year. Our perfect plant promise is that all our plants except for seedlings are guaranteed for the first 12 months. If you're not happy, bring it back and we can give you a full refund. In terms of edibles, it's perfect this time of year to plant your peas, rhubarb, silver beet, radishes, parsley and chives. In August, our winter veggies are coming to the fore. We have leeks, carrots, coriander, onions, cauliflower and beetroot. In August, it's a good time to deadhead any winter flowering plants and perennials like pansies or sedum, and you can give your shrubs a bit of a tidy up as well. It's a good time to put trace elements on your lawn to give it a good boost ready for spring. And don't forget to feed your summer veggies as well. Feed citrus, natives, and use some seaweed solution to activate your lawn. So there you go, there's plenty to do in your garden here in August in WA. If you've got any questions, come and see us at your local Bunnings store. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to our website.